cbsnews.com.
Hi students, there is one of the bad news coming out. This is website of Z News India. There is a recent article regarding the class 12th and class 10th board examination. Okay, so class 10th and class 12th board exams to be held earlier than the expected. Okay, people are in anticipation that board exams will be postponed and there will be further reduction in the syllabus, but it is just opposite and it is going to be earlier than the expected. Okay, that is the chances of postponing the board exams are getting down. Okay, so it is your time to start your IPL, your new IPL 2021. New IPL means individual padai league. Okay, so Indian padai league, so you have to start your own preparation. Whatever is happened as according to you in the pandemic, but it is going to affect a lot, so you should leave all those things and start your IPL 2021. See, this is the article reads, amid coronavirus pandemic, the questions are looming large on the timing of class 11th and 12th board exams to be conducted by CBSE in 21. But there is a possibility that exam may be held earlier than the expected. Okay, so the chances of preponing is decreased, but there is no yet order, there is no such confirmation, official confirmation, but CBSE already started. How they could come to, how the Z News people came to this conclusion is that they told that they started the process. What are the examination centers and number of candidates eligible for the board exams? CBSE has already started the process to held the class 10th and 12th examination earlier than, because they completed the process of list of candidates, how many students are appearing in the examinations, and list of centers also they finalized. So this shows that there are chances that exams may be preponed, because several schools affiliated in CBSE were also making effort there. Follow the timetable, online study is now it is becoming must, and it may be considered very strictly for the attendance. Okay, so it is better if you go through the online classes regularly and continue your study, so that you should not fail in your examination. So timetable, I will come out with the proper timetable, and if you are new to this channel at chem channel, you can subscribe and get updates about this type of examination news, job news, and lot. Okay, so I will give you a timetable. Already we have started a one shot series where you will get the full chapter gist right from the board exam level. It not only exam helps you to score better marks in the board exam, but also simultaneously parallelly you will be able to prepare the competitive exams. Okay, so that link I will give you in the description. Daily half an hour to 1 hour, apart from your online classes, your regular studies, you spend half an hour to 1 hour time from that online list, short one shot series, so that you can upgrade your marks. Without of one shot series, if you are scoring 60 marks, then definitely this is going to increase 10 to 15 marks at least. Okay, so to improve your score and to improve your passing good with good percentage, I hope you all will do that. Okay, so CBSE reports claim that CBSE is planning to either shorten the syllabus, because the time is very less. Most of the already 6 months there was no regular classes. Okay, so they are ready to reduce the syllabus by 40 to 60 days. But don't wait for that 40 to 60 days that syllabus reduction, because that may happen or may not happen. Even though it happens, it may be restricted for the only board exams. So parallelly you are preparing for the competitive exams, so that may not be effective for you. So better to prepare 100% syllabus with 100% efforts, so that you should not miss the board exam or you should not fail the board exam. Okay. So meanwhile CBSE released the latest sample papers along with the marking scheme. Okay. So that link also as soon as possible I will try to provide. So better to subscribe this channel. If you subscribe this channel, everything will be ready made and easily given to you people. Okay. So which could be an indication that exams could be, once they are giving the sample paper, marking scheme, selecting the exam centers and listing out the people appearing for the candidates, it is a clear indication. Okay. Noted that sample papers are prepared as per the reduced syllabus of CBSE. From this sample paper, those who will appear for the board examination will know the format of board CBSE. Okay. So I think all of you will have given the like to this video. If not given like, so kindly do it and let us subscribe and share it to your all friends, so that they also get benefited. See you, bye bye. Don't forget to see the description box for the one shot series, which is highly scoring topics are explained in the minimum possible time which you have right now. See you, bye bye.